What I'm looking at right here is our chapter 1, Work Together and On Your Own. And when I just realized I needed to be in a different view. When I go in and look at all of our assignments, you can see that it's highlighted in red today, and it's giving me, hey, it's not started. But you'll also notice that it says practice, because that means halfway through we're going to be able to check answers to see how well we're doing, because this is our opportunity to learn together. It is not going to do you any good if you click on check answers to see the answer and then you just fill it in. You really use that as a way to gauge to see, I just tried it. How well am I doing? Was I able to do it correctly? Because when you get to the graded assignments, you are not going to have that opportunity. One of the things it does do is, though, the minute that it's due, you're going to be able to see how well you did on that. Okay, so we can see that, and then you will also notice that the assignment name is a blue link, and when you click on that, you're going to go ahead and launch, and we can see these are not worth an ginormous amount of points. Work Together 1-1 is worth 3 points, and On Your Own is worth 3 points. We're going to go ahead and go into Work Together. Please stay with me. Don't go ahead. There's going to be some times that I'm going to go through and explain some portions of it and give you more details, because I know on another assignment something that's going to come up. So what we have here is I want to talk about a couple different things. We have our assignment located right here in the middle. But I want you to notice this blue link right up here in the top where it says click here to view instructions in a separate window. And when you do that, you really will get directions that look exactly like page 9 in your book. Please look on page 9. You do need to bring your book with you, page 9 in your book. Now, the directions for this assignment are not super complicated, but you will find that some of the directions you need to have open because they give you information for what you need to do. But the directions do read. It says, write the answers to the following problem. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Number 1, for each line, fill in the missing amount to complete the accounting equation. So really, what is up in my pop-up window matches that Work Together direction. Do you see that? That's important for you to realize. So you do have the directions right there as well with you for Aplia. Okay. So you will notice when I look here, I have a couple options. I have a small a and a big A. What do you think is going to happen if I click on those? Do you see how it can make it smaller for you? Sometimes it's beneficial to make things smaller so more things will appear on your screen. Accounting 2, did you notice that? In the new design, you have this big A and little a to make things smaller on your screen without having to zoom. Sometimes that'll make things a little bit easier to see on one page. You can also make that bigger if you want to increase to see what you need to. Now, all we need to do is we are just doing the math across, and we have liabilities is 3,000, owner's equity is 8. So what would our answer be for line number 1, Jared? 11,000. Do I need to type in the commas? Do I need to type in the decimal points? I do not. Okay, so I can just type in 11 and then 3 zeros. Okay. So for my second one here, I have assets of 10,000 and owner's equity of 6. So I'm going to have liabilities of 4,000. How do we do in the third one? What's the last answer? 28,000. Okay, and you'll notice we will want to then click on check answer. And then down here on the bottom it says points 3 out of 3. If I got something correct, I would have a red X. And I could also click on the open portion here, and it would show me the correct answer. So then I could see what I did wrong and how it was supposed to be correct. You can go ahead and click on Save and Continue. And it will go ahead and open up On Your Own. Please complete that one. It won't take you very long as well.